Hello everybody, we are here always to show you, our production. This is a bar counter. We also manufacture the facade of it. This is a classical bar counter. We show you some of the different kind of phases of the job. Here we always, a refrigerated counter. This is Mara 90-degree refrigerated counter. They are doing, different kind of checkings before delivery. So every piece of equipment is very well checked before delivery, from the front to the back. As you can see, these are refrigerated counters, and we are checking the cabinets before delivery.